I love Cholmondeley overall. I've been going for 7 years. And I come because it's a place, say, a break from family or break from siblings.
We decided to renovate the playground for our centenary project, so the kids have got a much better experience. Oh, the children absolutely hate the new playground. Is that right, guys? Oh, can I do that again? The children really love the new playground. The basket swing is probably one of our top 2 used pieces of equipment now. And once we get the seats on the seesaws, that's going to be popular again too. And I'm pretty sure when we get the Flying Fox, that'll be our #1 used piece of equipment.
The new swings, the basket swing with the black cover on it, that's really fun if you want to chill and be calm. The staff push you or you can push it by yourself. The wood's very strong. It's better than the old one because the old one was getting a bit rusty.
The value of play for me is watching children live out their dreams and their imagination out there, and it really excites me to see what they can come up with. This is all part of their growth and development, and it's really awesome to watch.
The exposed wood look was new for us and we liked it. Chhour helped us choose the equipment. They also helped us choose the single Flying Fox going down the middle of our playground, so that was good. There's a lot of choices. That was the difficult part, is landing on the exact things that we wanted. Let's just say every time I talk to the children about a Flying Fox, I get a very positive response. Who better to give you the feedback than the children who are playing on it, right? They've all said they wanted the Flying Fox. Flying Fox, good idea? Yep, there you go again. What can I do? It's been awesome to get to this stage with the playground, to have the Minister for Children, Karen Chhour, open that for us. That will sit with these children for a long time.
Thanks, Chhour, for building a good playground.